Welcome back to the PricePulse, dynamic discounts and coupons for WooCommerce tutorials. Card processing costs a percentage of every order, so a merchant often has a real reason to prefer one payment method over another. This rule lets you pay the shopper to choose it. The usual route, WooCommerce in the sidebar, PricePulse, then add new rule. Name it, set the rule type to payment method, and choose the gateway the deal belongs to. Direct bank transfer. The list here is the gateways your store has switched on, so it will look different on yours. 10% off, no ceiling, and a label for the line the shopper will see. Bank transfer discount. Like the cart rule, this one adds a named amount to the order rather than changing any product price. All users, priority 10, and an offer message. Publish, and it is live. The shop page first, and nothing has moved. $100 is still $100, with no struck through price anywhere. That is not the rule failing. A payment method discount depends on something the shopper has not done yet, so the catalog cannot honestly show it. Which raises a fair question. How would a shopper ever find out about it? From the offers page. It is in the store's own menu, and it lists every running deal, including the ones no product page can advertise. There is ours, a payment method offer, 10% off, described in the words the rule was given. And the card carries a view details button, which is where a deal like this one can be explained properly. It names the qualifying payment method, direct bank transfer, states the saving, and walks the shopper through it. Add products as usual, choose that method at the checkout, and the discount comes off the total automatically, with nothing to type in. It also says how long the offer runs, from now, with no end date, because we left both date fields empty. Close the panel, back to the shop through the same menu, one hoodie in the basket and onto the checkout, because that is the only screen where this rule has anything to say. Until a shopper is choosing how to pay, there is nothing for a payment rule to react to. Look at the payment methods. Direct bank transfer carries the offer in its own title, 10% off. So the shopper learns the deal exists at the moment they are choosing, not after they have already picked something else. Bank transfer is the gateway WooCommerce preselects here, so the deal is already on the order. Bank transfer discount, -10. Switch to cash on delivery and watch it go. No discount line at all, and $110 to pay. That is what this order looks like to a shopper who pays another way. Now choose bank transfer, and the line comes back, -$10, $100 to pay. Nothing was stored between those two clicks. WooCommerce rebuilds the order every time the payment method changes, and the rule is evaluated fresh each time, which is why a shopper can change their mind as often as they like and always see the right price. $90 of goods and $10 of delivery, with the savings stated by name rather than buried in a product price. A percentage of the order is worth capping, because it grows with the basket. Maximum discount of 5 puts a ceiling on what the gateway choice can cost you. The same $100 order, rebuilt from the shop and taken through to the checkout. Nothing about the basket has changed since a moment ago, only the ceiling on the rule has. Bank transfer is pre-selected again, so the line is already on the order, and it now reads -5. 10% of this order would have been $10. The ceiling allows 5, so 5 is what the shopper gets. Note the gateway title still advertises 10%. That placeholder renders the rule's configured value, and the cap is applied when the order is totaled. $105 to pay, with delivery. Or a flat amount, which is the easier one to explain to a customer. $15 off for paying by bank transfer, whatever the order comes to. Ceiling back to 0. One more basket, one more trip to the checkout. This is the third arrangement of the same rule, and the only thing changing each time is what the merchant typed into it. And the line reads -15, $95 to pay with delivery. The gateway title has updated to match. A flat amount is announced as a flat amount, so what the shopper is offered while they are choosing and what they are charged at the end are the same thing. And to finish, back the way we found it, 10%, maximum 0. That is the payment rule. Pick a gateway. Pick a discount, and the saving lives on the order only while that gateway is chosen. Thank you for watching.